Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix your Asus laptop. It's plugged in, but it's not charging. Right? If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, I'd like for you to try at least performing a hard reset. Okay. So go ahead and turn off your laptop. You can go ahead and shut it down from here. Shut down. Okay. And once done, remove the charger. Okay. Once removed, also remove all external devices, such as your mouse if it's plugged in, a USB drive, or whatever. Okay, so once everything is removed, go ahead and press and hold the power button for about 40 to 60 seconds. Okay, again, 40 to 60 seconds. And then after that, just reconnect the charger and power it on. Okay, just the charger itself. Power it on, and after that, go ahead and check if it helps. Now, if that doesn't work, you might want to need to go to your start menu right here, right-click on it and click on Device Manager. Open it up, and then in here, find Batteries. Okay. Click on or double-click on Microsoft AC Adapter, or sometimes it says Microsoft ACPI Compliant Control Method Battery. Okay, go ahead and double-click on it. Go ahead over to Drivers right here. And then go ahead and click on Update Driver. There you go. Click on Search Automatically for Drivers. Now, if it says the best drivers for your device are already installed, click on Search for Windows Update right here. Now, if there are available updates, install them all, as well as go into Advanced Options right here, and then Optional Updates, as most of our device drivers or device updates will be available right here. So install them all. Once that's done, restart your computer and check if it helps. Well, if that still won't work, go ahead and go back to the same set of steps right here under Device Manager. Double-click, Driver, uninstall it, uninstall, close this one. Now restart your computer, and it will just reinstall by itself. Okay? And go ahead and check if it helped after that. Now, if that still won't work, go ahead and open up your My Asus app. Okay? Now, it looks like this. So just go ahead and go to Device Settings, and under Battery Care Mode, try to at least disable it, okay? Because if your battery stays between 80 or 99, well, and won't charge to 100%, it may be in a battery health charging mode, just like this one right here. This feature right here stops charging to extend battery lifespan. Now, if you do know that the problem is in here, well, you can enable it and then just go ahead and leave the percentage be 80 or 99. Okay. So that would be another issue if this one doesn't work. Okay. It might be a problem with either your charger plug or the charger itself. If I were you, I would go ahead and test out other chargers. Okay. If the other charger works, well, the problem is your main charger. Now, if the other chargers doesn't work, well, the problem is in your port. Okay. And if all else fails, if your device is still under warranty, you can go ahead and get it replaced by the manufacturer. Now, if it's not under warranty anymore, we'll get it checked by a local technician. Okay. That is it. That is how you fix an Asus laptop if it's plugged in and it's not charging. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.